Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is special because I'm gonna teach you how to create reverse zoom effect like After Effects. People call it time remap as well. And yeah, it's not like the CapCut style at all. It's fully made in Alight Motion and Node video. Anyway, let's start the tutorial. First of all, you need two applications. One is After Motion Z and the other one is Node Video. Both of the applications are available on my Telegram channel. After Motion gets updated every month. Here's the March version. You can update the application by watching this video. And I already shared it on 31st March. Okay, and now you just follow my steps. There's two types of reverse zoom effect. Here is the first one. shake effect, then just duplicate the random displacement effect. Done. And the second effect is also the same like the previous one. You just have to delete these two effects and add BCC lens blur. And if you want it to look the edit more attractive, then you just have to rotate the video. That's not my recommendation, it's all about your need. You can also try this graph. Simply it's faster than the previous one, but I will recommend this one. Done. I hope this tutorial helps you a lot, and our goal is simple: to help you improve and inspire you to become a better editor every single day. And if you wanted to support us, then do like and subscribe. And in the very next video we are gonna drop the tutorial of cutout transition. So stay tuned and stay healthy. God bless you.